the shore, good news for buyers. Showings have slowed this past week, which may concern sellers, but prices for the fall market are predicted to remain strong. It's Friday, September 29th, 2023, and this is your Eastern Shore Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. There are currently 1,326 for sale on the shore. 98 properties are coming soon for sale. 181 came to the market since last week. 76 went under contract. 82 moved to pending. 142 sold in 12 days at 98.9% list to sold ratio. The highest price home that sold this past week was in Berlin for $2,500,000. Available rentals continue to rise to 98 available at a median $2,175 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, September 29th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe and have a super weekend. See you next week.